So I just finished filming and I wanted to show you guys this new sort of like loungewear, leisure wear, whatever you want to call it, set that was sent to me by a new company called Lett clothing. So this wrap top I can obviously style with other things because it is a pretty like ribbed long sleeve wrap top, and these are the pants. So they're the perfect length. Everything is always very short on me, so these are very long, which I like. They have pockets, they're very high-waisted, and they're extremely comfortable. So if you guys are in the market for like leisure wear or lounge wear, I cannot recommend this enough. iPhone, currently transferring data. It's gonna take 2 hours. Jesus, feels pretty much the same, just a little heavier. I got the space gray one. A huge board, and this is all I put on it. I got some pumpkins from Trader Joe's and I'm slowly adding them. Got some over here, flowers, and over here. In today's episode of Absolutely No One Asked, but Gemary is going to tell you, I recently bought these little meatless breakfast patties and they're so good, and the macros are actually not bad. 7 grams of protein for only 1. I eat 2, so that's 14 grams of protein in just this. Pretty good. They're from Trader Joe's, by the way, obviously. This is what it looks like. I got it from Amazon. It's from Simple Human and it's for handheld shower heads. And I know that I have a lot of bottles, but remember that I try out a lot of stuff. So I'm trying to use things up so I could start clearing it little by little, but I think it is perfect. It fits almost everything that I had in the corner little unit. I definitely recommend it. Hopefully it does not tarnish or anything. I don't think it would because it's stainless steel, but we shall see. I feel like it has a little compartment for everything. So last vlog we had a baking competition, and this vlog we're having a sort of like cocktail competition. Who can make the best cocktail? So that's where we're going now, really quick. My outfit: Read on Tank, Reformation shorts, Everlane sandals, and Everlane soft crew shirt. And also a very old Everlane bag. And yeah, I feel like I wear kind of the same outfit every single day. And my earrings are from frankk. And the rest is Mejuri, besides this, which is very old, from HRH collection. What is this reserve sign for? Jonathan is not messing around today.
I want that trophy. I went for that trophy. I went for first place.
Cocktail champion. She says she hasn't tasted her drink yet. So these two just found out they were making the same drink. So Jonathan is improvising.
I made a pumpkin spice white Russian, and my season is fall. The drink's name is Basic White Girl. My garnish is pumpkin spice, and a pumpkin that's drowning.
Are we putting straws?
Yeah.
No, who drinks cocktails with straws? Okay, well my drink is called You Call Me a Cab. It's a Josh Cabernet Sauvignon.
Oh, okay, okay.
It's Tito's,
He already knows
vodka,
me like Josh.
Okay.
and lemonade. Oh, what?
You're giving me my freaking pen.
Look at the judges judging.
Johnny Ween for Halloween. It is a white Russian with a mix of blowjob. So a blowjob has whipped cream, cinnamon, and rosemary. And inside we have Kahlua and vodka.
This has tequila, red wine, lime juice, ginger beer, some blackberry. This is called Mexican black burrito.
Now take one of the fruits.
Sorry guys, we didn't have second and fourth
Let's
place.
start off. It was a very competitive competition. Everyone did very well. And for fourth place, Josie. And for third place,
Battle of the Brothers.
it was hard to pick from the siblings, but for second place, Stephanie. First place,
And this is why he was not supposed to be.
The champion 2019 cocktail competition goes to Jonathan. Great picture? Okay.
Thank you, Judge.
Give it here. Wow, great service. Thank you.
And then we'll figure out something for Saturday.
please hide them. He was being so.
Wow.
You sleep like a king on that sleeping bag.
On that bag on the floor.
Well, I was right now. He jumped on it.
Like a king
The thing is, he kills. He destroyed all
on that.
Projector, tents, cabin in the backyard.
Oh, we can't use a fridge. No, you have to use a fridge.
Friends give the 16th, November 16th. Table. Where do you want to put it at?
We're gonna put it right
Yeah,
here.
yeah,
Right here. How many people?
Is that gonna be the same day as the tents?
The
Let's see it.
group chat. It's
Got it.
All right, same day as the tents.
Are you comfortable? I put her bed right next to his, but she just goes and lays on his bed. Dude, you know how long it took me to grow that tree? For you to just come and eat it? So I know I've been doing a crappy job vlogging lately, but we're gonna go to an escape room with everyone. And I'm gonna show you guys my outfit really quick. My top is old from American Apparel, I think. Belt is vintage. These are like oversized denim trousers from End of the Stories. Veja sneakers and an old suede bag, which is all lopsided, from Sezane that I've had for I don't know how many years, but I can make it into a crossbody so it's more comfortable for an escape room. So yeah, that is all. I really hope you can hear me despite how loud my air conditioning in my car is. The thing about Miami is that I cannot lower the air, okay? Because it is just way too hot and I will die of heat inside my car. So it's either good audio or not dying. we're actually going to California in 2 days. I am so excited. I've been to San Francisco, but I haven't really been anywhere else in California, so very excited for that. Right now, I just finished doing my nails. Did this color, it's like a grayish nude color, and I'm gonna go to Target and do my favorite thing that I always do right before a trip, which is get little travel-sized things. Heaven. Man, you gotta be kidding me. This thing keeps getting stuck every 5 minutes. You think they'd make them smart enough to get off cliffs by themselves. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys a haul that you did not ask for. Everything I bought today. My Roomba is stuck again, ladies and gentlemen. From Target. I'm gonna try to make this as quick as possible because I have a feeling nobody cares. But I got 2 of these little container things to decant my shampoo and conditioner, which is what I originally went for. But of course, it's Target. So I got a little mini witch hazel toner, a little mini hairspray that I use, more of these little bottles. Roger needed a nose trimmer, and some cotton rounds. I also got these sheets. I needed a new set of sheets for our bed. These are the ones that I like. These are the vintage washed ones. And I got a couple of pillowcases as well. I got from Bed Bath & Beyond some Alka-Seltzer because I can't live without this stuff on trips, just in case, because you never know. I act like I'm going to another planet. I'm going to California. Like, they have Walgreens in every corner, or CVS, but you never know, you know. A small little toothpaste. This to put like jewelry in and stuff. They're stackable. Never tried them, but they look great, especially for chains that get stuck everywhere. I hate that. I got the curved bobby pins, which these are my favorite ones. I got more little bottles for my deep conditioner because I don't really use regular conditioner. I use deep conditioner, and that's kind of hard to decant in a regular little bottle, so I get these little jars. How many times can I say little in a sentence? Hand sanitizer. Oh, and I also got another down comforter, or down alternative comforter, and I'm gonna try this one out from Ulta. I got another Morphe continuous setting spray. This is one of my favorites, along with the MAC setting spray. 2 of these. I don't normally use makeup removing wipes unless I go on trips because they're a lot easier, and I get really lazy on trips with my skincare, so I like to have something that can easily remove my makeup at the end of the night. I do go in and double cleanse after this. And finally, 2 cute little MAC Fix Plus because I don't know which one of these I'm gonna take. So that's everything. That is all. That's my little haul. Thank you so much for watching. So I got a new carry-on bag. This is the one I would always take. I needed something that fit more. So I got this one from Away, and it's huge. It has a bunch of compartments. It has pockets everywhere. A pocket for my laptop. It'll fit my drone and all the other things that I have to take in here. The million extra batteries that I always take. And I also got a matching little waterproof or water resistant bag to go in there. And I got my initials. I have a carry-on luggage from Away, and also their medium-sized luggage, and they're my favorite. I've worked with them in the past, but I purchased this myself. Love it, and the quality is like crazy good. So I'm slowly getting a couple of things that I ordered for Halloween. These look weirdly realistic, and I'm living for it. Can you guys guess what I'm gonna be? Can you? I cannot take myself seriously, and there's even bigger ones. Like, look at these. Can't wait. I have to put a little bit of foundation or something on them to make them even more realistic. But yeah, what if from now on I just come on here with these ears on? Would you guys still watch me? Dexter thinks they're toys and he wants them. These are even bigger. It'd be so funny if I just go out grocery shopping or something with them on. You don't notice how crooked your ears are until you put these things on. Like, this one goes out. What's that about? He is eating it. We're in the Halloween spirit. You were like one of the only ones that followed all the rules. Oh, yeah, I don't know. What? Okay, I said one of these.
You're still drinking her drink, so what do you think?
I like it more now that it's watering down.
But you need to say why.
And this is a real thing.
No. Me?
You wanted to be judge.